Okay folks, I just put a video live a couple of days ago showing some backpacks and stuff that I'd had delivered, saying I so rarely get bags, and then the following day we got another delivery, and I wanted to make this just so you know, the last video and this video, I'm not being paid to make them, I just wanted to share this with you guys. You probably know I've been using these guys. This is a ThinkTank airport roller derby. This sounds rehearsed, but the reason I know that so well is I've been using, actually, this version. Is it? Which one? No, it is this one. See, you can hardly tell them apart. Yeah, this one for 12 years. It's basically brand new. I have changed the wheels on it. I changed the handle on it, but then all the other stuff is still perfect. The zip, and I break everything. It's still great. Having said that, when I broke a wheel on this and after 12 years needed to replace it, couldn't get a replacement wheel in time for a trip, so I thought, okay, after 12 years, that's enough time to actually get a second bag. Got the second bag, then I had time to get the wheels in, so now I have two of these. So phenomenal, and yes, they're like $400 odd or something like that, but over 12 years and probably 50 trips around the world, or maybe 80 or 100 international flights, it'll be more than that. It's still great. So thank you, ThinkTank, again. They never paid me a cent. It's just a phenomenal bag. But today I have what may be the biggest unboxing I've ever done, because my lovely assistant, who's behind the camera, hello, was looking for a bag for the freelance work that he does. And surprisingly, it's almost the same bag that my previous assistant wanted. They're always in high demand, and for some reason can be a bit hard to find in Hong Kong. Thanks to ThinkTank, they helped me locate one, and I'm going to open it up because it is the most ridiculous size thing you've ever seen. Can you give me a hand? See if I don't trip over. Yep, I'm knocking over my light. Then let's knock over those cameras, and then everyone's happy. I have the cameras here just for scale. I might move them out of the way. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Are we still in the shot? Actually, there's such a good chance that I'm going to knock those cameras off. Let me get them out. That's all right, I got it. That would be an expensive unboxing if I smashed 3 cameras. Okay, we got it all. It's probably blowing out there from the light. But anyway, this is it. This is the ThinkTank Production Manager 50, and I think it's the biggest bag that ThinkTank make. I mean, you can really dispose of a corpse in something like this. Everybody seems to love my ceremonial knife. By the way, this is I call it ceremonial because that's all I use it for. This is actually made out of a Mongolian reindeer antler. So that was one complete antler. And then they put the, whatever that is, the guard on, slice it in half, hollow it out, put a blade inside it. And just so you know, reindeers lose their antlers every year. They just fall off. So no Rudolph was hurt in the making of this. I got it on one of my tours to Mongolia. So I have already given this to Aaron. He knows. So this isn't the unveiling, but we haven't actually fully opened it. So that's what we're going to do. I've never seen one in person, so I wonder if I can actually even get this out. Is it an assisted lift type situation? Let's see. No, I think I can get it. I'll just do it the man's way, which is the wrong way, but slightly quicker. No, I think I got it. Because seeing people struggle is what people come here for. Okay, and then, that's what we do. And then, goodbye. Okay. There's a lady in our neighborhood who comes around and picks up all the cardboard and then is able to sell it for recycling, so she's gonna love when she sees that one. So can I cut open your bag? Actually, I don't think my knife is sharp enough to cut this thick plastic. I'll just undo it. So this, I just read the tag, is the Production Manager 50V2. And I want to repeat, because people assume everything is paid. Yes, ThinkTank have been good to me over the years and have loaned me stuff, have given me bags and stuff in the past, but they're not paying me to make this. They don't know that I'm making this they'll find out about it when I tag them in it. This is more that I wanted to share this fun day because Aaron's really excited to get this bag because, sorry to embarrass him, but he bought the shitty cheap version and then instantly regretted it because it started falling apart. So now he has the good one. So let's see what's this guy say. The most efficient way to safely transport a large amount of equipment, no joke. For C-stands, multiple flash heads, power packs, monoblocks, soft boxes, and light stands. It weighs 11.7 kilos, and I don't know how many liters it is, but I'm gonna say hundreds. Let's have a look around this guy. So nice, it's got the same locking zips that my roller derby has. It's also got the place that you can put like your business cards, and so if your bag gets lost or anything like that. The wheels are just about the most heavy duty thing I've ever seen. They look even more strong than the ones on my bag. Giant pocket on this side, and this is so you can also put like tripods or stands, whatever in there, and tighten that up. And this is the mounting points, and they actually have the male Velcro on that side, so you could put loops on there to attach all kinds of different things. And it looks like it's got the exact same gigantic YKK zips as my one, so I guess you are never going to break this bag. An ID with its unique serial number and a QR code there, I guess for warranty or return or if it got stolen or something. So I think it's a unique ID card there, so I'll just cover that over. Okay, so no pull-out handle obviously because you need to be 10 foot tall, but it does have the lock, what do you call that, like a Kensington or whatever, and that hardwires into the frames. And this one actually comes with a TSA approved combination lock. I don't remember if mine came with that, it was so long ago, but that's kind of neat. So in the front here, just a giant, I guess you put all cables and stuff in there. And it's got all the hooking points, are they on that side too? Yeah, there's some, but there's loads more on the back so you can clip accessories and stuff on. Dang, so you can adjust the length of that so you can have the top stay at the angle that you want it to be, but for now I might let that fall open so I can get in. But bunch of mesh pockets, that's the other thing. This kind of mesh you think isn't gonna last. Again, the one that I've had for 12 years, that's where I stick my batteries and my Allen keys and everything, things with sharp edges. None of them have a hole, and not even these zippers, any of them have stopped working. I rave about it, and I know this sounds like a paid ad, because I don't have anything from 12 years ago, and anything that's even 8 years ago is falling to pieces. So something that's still working so great, to me, is phenomenal. So you could use this for all light stands, or you could have like a giant H-series Hasselblad camera with every lens and have it be your camera bag. But what are you actually going to use it for? Light stands and lights, or nice C-stands and all that good stuff. So I was tempted to see if I could actually get in it. I don't think I could, so I won't do that. But straps, moisture thingies, the rest I think is fairly self-explanatory. But to give you an idea of the depth and the size, here is a Nikon ZF, boop, and it's kind of lost. A little bit of scale for you. And it's got tags, so you can put on there what's in different sections if you want to. I guess that's pretty much it. So thank you again to ThinkTank and Dennis, the local distributor who helped me locate one of these. Happy late birthday to Aaron, and thank you for all the great work you've done over the last, I think it's 8 months we've been working together. Enjoy it, take care of your gear, and I hope you get rich from all of your side projects. See you guys.